Here at O'Day, campus ministry is about not only learning about your faith, but experiencing it. We do this through faith mentorship, retreats, liturgies, and we provide those opportunities for the students to really experience God in their lives. Students from all faith backgrounds are welcome to participate in these events, and we welcome them with open arms. O'Day is located just across the street from St. James Cathedral. We have a wonderful relationship with them. Every month we get together as an entire school and we have Mass together. And students are encouraged to participate in that Mass through Eucharistic ministry, reading, and altar serving. We begin every day at O'Day with an all-school prayer. At O'Day, all students are required to do 25 hours of community service, and we help them to find the service that really means the most to them. We are very passionate about connecting students with the kind of service that they will continue to want to do after they graduate school. Here at O'Day, we're so centrally located, and we have great relationships with service agencies all around the area. Students can walk, in some cases, after school to do their service hours at a place that is meaningful and serves our community.
Campus ministry is really something special here at O'Day. We are so blessed to be across the street from one of the most beautiful cathedrals in Washington, St. James. Throughout the year, we gather there for Mass. I can remember sophomore year, we were going on a retreat under campus ministry's leadership. That morning, it was a beautiful morning. The Dublin House got together in the parking lot and we got on a bus. We drove up to Beacon Hill, if I remember correctly, where we met an elderly couple. A lady came outside. She worked for the Catholic nonprofit organization. She came outside and she explained to us students that this couple was going to be evicted if we didn't clean up their lawn. I can remember the lawn was a disaster. There was overgrown grass, overgrown raspberry bushes, tools everywhere. It was really sad to see. So we got to work as soon as possible. The boys at O'Day got together and we started cutting the raspberry bushes, the grass, cleaning up their shed. And I remember I had a chance to talk with the elderly couple. I went inside and sat down and talked with them. And they explained to me they lived in the home for, I think it was about 30 years. And if they didn't get it cleaned up, they were going to be evicted. They had no one to help them and nobody to turn to. And that's where O'Day stepped in. I saw my brothers as true disciples of Christ in their works that day. At the core of O'Day Brotherhood is Christ, and you see that amongst the students and faculty here at O'Day.